Are you feeling off? Tired, anxious, foggy, or just not like yourself lately? Your hormones could be out of balance and nature might just have the answer. Welcome back to Natural Earth Living. Today, we're exploring 5 powerful herbs that help bring your hormones back into harmony, safely and naturally. What are hormonal imbalances? Our hormones control everything from mood and energy to metabolism, sleep, fertility, and more. But stress, poor diet, synthetic chemicals, and even age can throw them off balance. Instead of turning to harsh medications or synthetic fixes, many people are rediscovering what ancient cultures have known for centuries. Herbs can help. Let's meet some of the most effective ones. 1. Chasteberry. Vitex agnus castus. Balances estrogen and progesterone, especially helpful for PMS, irregular periods, and menopause. Supports the pituitary gland, which regulates hormone production. Chasteberry is a drought-tolerant shrub and thrives in full sun. Take as a tincture or dried in capsules. Caution. Avoid during pregnancy. It may take 2 to 3 months to see results. 2. Ashwagandha. Withania somnifera. Supports adrenal health, reduces cortisol, stress hormone, aids thyroid function. Adaptogen. Helps your body adapt to stress. Ashwagandha grows in warm climates. Use dried root powder in tea, smoothies, or capsules. Caution. May interact with thyroid medication or sedatives. 3. Red clover. Trifolium pratense. Contains phytoestrogens that mimic estrogen. Great for menopause symptoms and bone health. Red clover is commonly found in fields and lawns. It is a perennial. Drink as a tea or infusion. Harvest flower tops in bloom. Caution. Avoid if you have estrogen-sensitive conditions or are on blood thinners. 4. Maca root. Lepidium mayni. Boosts energy, fertility, libido, and stabilizes mood and hormones. Nourishes the endocrine system and supports hormone production. Maca root is grown in the Andes, but available as a powder. Add to smoothies or warm drinks. Caution. Can cause overstimulation in some people, so start small. 5. Holy basil tulsi. Reduces cortisol, supports thyroid and blood sugar balance, relieves anxiety. It is another powerful adaptogen. Holy basil is easy to grow indoors or out. It loves warmth and sunlight. Use fresh leaves in tea or tinctures. Holy basil smells heavenly and supports the nervous system. Caution. Mild blood thinner, use caution if on similar meds. Here's a calming tea blend you can make at home to support hormone balance. 1 teaspoon dried red clover. 1 teaspoon holy basil. 1/2 teaspoon dried chamomile. 1/4 teaspoon dried lemon balm. Steep in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Drink daily for a calming, hormone-loving ritual. Whether you're seeking relief from PMS, navigating perimenopause, or just trying to feel more grounded, these herbs are powerful allies from the earth. Let me know in the comments, have you tried any of these? Or do you have a favorite herb I missed? Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our future plant-powered videos. Until next time, stay balanced, stay rooted, and stay naturally you.